Yes, I cut my hair myself, guys. Did you like it? I did a pretty good job actually, and I like it. And the hair will always grow back anyway. My hair always grows so fast, so it's a nice change. And I mean, I had to do it myself because the hairdressers are closed and we're in lockdown. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.
We're using 4 sections, not 2. Now that we have our part in the middle all set, you want to bring it all the way down to the back. I'm going to take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down, right there. We're going to take one of our elastics, we're going to comb it together in our hands, and we're going to make a little ponytail right where we want our hair cut, right? You can put it up high, and then you can kind of drag it down. But make sure when you're putting it in, you're not lifting this section up or down, or you're not going like this, you're going like this, exactly how it should lay. Make sure to keep tension on that hair at all times. So now that we have that in there, to the best of our abilities, we're gonna take this and just bring it down. If you need to, you can just drag this down a little bit to exactly where you want to cut it. So if it's going like this when you put it back, that's not right. It needs to lay perfectly flat. Just taking a little off at a time. We're just gonna point cut across, and we're just gonna get rid of that little tiny ledge. You're just gonna take off that high point.